Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a little project for the house. Sorry, this lighting is really bad. It's like the lighting's coming in from there. Anyway, we are going to do a little project. I'm going to be doing a lot of painting. So yeah, the hair is up and I look like a hot mess, but I am not fixing my hair to be painting and doing projects. So for those of you that do, more power to you. So we are going to be doing some painting and doing some projects. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing, and let's take a look. The first project I'm going to do today is painting this HME. I'm going to put home on my wall. So I'm going to be painting these in a chalk paint, a white chalk paint. So I've got these laid out, and I have a little helper today that's going to help me do these, Grace. So she's going to help me paint these. So we're going to paint the HME white, and then we're going to do, I bought this grapevine looking wreath, and then these two beautiful things of greenery. I got all this at Hobby Lobby, and those were on sale, buy one get one 50% off. So it comes out a lot cheaper to do that, and I can use some of it in other places, but we are going to hot glue it to here to make a beautiful wreath for the O in home. So we are going to get started. So Grace is helping Mommy, aren't you, Grace? Yeah. Are you having fun? Yeah. Is that super duper fun?
Yeah.
What are you painting?
Letters.
Letters? That is awesome. What color are you painting?
White.
White. Are you Mommy's big helper?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are these letters, Grace?
What is this one, Mom?
What do you think?
Cardboard.
Cardboard? Look this way at Mommy. Oh, you got paint on your face.
On my face?
Yes. Okay, so Grace did paint the HME white, and she did a fantastic job, but we felt like it just needed something a little bit more. So I'm in the process of spray painting it, just to add a little texture and stuff to it, because I felt like it was too perfect, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to add a little texture, so I'm just spray painting it white, and here is what that looks like. So I'm just doing a couple light coats over it, just to add some texture and to get the sides covered well. So I really like the way it's turning out with that. It is very textured, and I just feel like it's not so pristine and perfect. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you like your letters and things like that to be perfect and like with a brush or a roller, or do you like it with spray paint? Let me know in the comments. We are moving along to this part of our project, and we have the wreath and then this beautiful greenery that I got at Hobby Lobby, and we are going to put this together. I will be using my glue gun, and I will probably end up using some of this one also. That's why I do have two, is so that I can use both to really make this full. I saw one like this at Hobby Lobby, and it was like $24.99. So this is definitely gonna be cheaper than that, and it will be original. I like things to be original. So let's get gluing. So I'm just gonna stick this in here and start gluing. Actually not. I'm actually just gonna take these all apart and put it together the way I want it.
Mom, I learned a trick.
Yeah? What kind of trick?
I didn't learn it.
Oh, okay. So we're just gonna trim these up. Don't mind my house,
I did tell you
because children live here. Right, Gracie?
Mom, I did tell you
A trick. She learned a trick. What's your trick, baby?
What?
Tell Mama.
What?
Oh, good job. I love that trick.
I do it two at a time.
Two at a time.
And one see it. Ready, set, go.
It would probably be better not to use these scissors and go get the kind for greenery. But yeah, I don't know where mine are right now. So we are making do. Okay, so I've removed all those. And now is the fun part of placing them and dropping them.
I know the trick, Mom.
Oh, and Grace learned another trick. Okay, so I'm just gonna start gluing.
Mommy, watch.
Okay, babe. Whoa, that was super cool.
And I can do one. I can do this up and down while I'm sitting.
Mm-hmm.
And another trick.
That is awesome. So, just gonna start placing these around, trying to get them attached. And you can definitely do this how you choose, as far as if you want it really full or not so full. If you want to be able to see the brown in the background, if you want it to kind of come through or not. See, I think this works a lot better not being attached to the thing. So I'm just placing it in the glue and then working our way around.
Mommy,
Yes,
what's
babe.
this,
Let me
Mom?
see. Oh, y'all, she is so super
I
cool.
can do it higher.
She can do it higher than that too.
Want to see, Mom?
Yes, show me. Oh, good job,
I can do
girl.
it, and I can do it. Want to see, Mom?
Yes, 1 second, let me do. My goodness,
No, that was my trick, Mom.
wasn't?
You have to watch the whole time and see when you're done.
Okay. Of course, be careful with hot glue because it is hot. And stringy, right? Definitely need some more right here. I think that one is actually going to cover it all. Sometimes this happens. Look, I have paint on my hands and now I'm glued. Oh goodness. It'll be okay. And you know, if you don't like these sticking out, you can always try to glue them down more. It just depends on your personal preference of what you like. So going in kind of wild or kind of pristine and put in place. You don't want it looking cray-cray, too cray-cray, but definitely make it your own. That's what I like to do. Just make it your own. Make it what you want it to be. And of course, I like to go back and just kind of re-glue some stuff down to make sure it's going to stay. Because in my house, it will probably be hit by balls and things like that. So, yeah. So it needs to be pretty stable. All of our greenery. There's this little one right here. Kind of want this one up a little more, so I'm just gonna steady it to this branch. What do you think? Pretty good. I may move a few things, but overall I think it looks pretty good. This looks a little full here and less full in here. If you want them to go more of a circle, you can just kind of glue them down to make them form more of a circle. And then go back and remove your little glue lines. That'll make it look a little better too. Really liking it, but if you feel like this one is a little full right here, but I may end up putting a bow right here, so I might leave it. I think I will just move things around a little and then I'll be done. So I know some people tend to measure everything and get things absolutely perfect. Well, that's not me. I don't do that. I kind of eyeball everything. My M's moving, y'all see it? But yeah, I just kind of eyeball it because that's just how I roll. Okay, this is kind of low, and I'm afraid my kids may bump it when they come through here. But guess what? We live here, and it's okay. I'll just put it back up. So now I'm gonna give you a shot of the whole thing. Okay, so here we go. This is the mess, and this is the home sign that we made. And I love it. It's a little large. I probably meant to make it a little smaller, but I really like it. It really stands out, and it says home, which is just, I love it. I love it. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and we will have maybe some more crafts to come soon. Bye.